Hello, Flagler County. Bob Pickering here at the Emergency Operations Center with the latest Flagler weather update. Just a reminder, I'm not a meteorologist. All the weather information I present originates from the National Weather Service. Well, Alberto came and went, and fortunately we got some dry air over the area that helped suppress a lot of the rainfall. So taking a look at what we expect, you can see all the moisture from Alberto now well off to the north. This is a 7-day precipitation forecast from the Weather Prediction Center. And you see across Florida that the concentration of rainfall is going to be kind of in the middle of the state. Looks like an average of maybe 2 inches over the next 7 days, which isn't too terribly bad. Of course, you can always get localized amounts higher than that. But we are in the rainy season, so what matters now more is local weather as opposed to the larger weather systems. So as the mornings start, we're going to expect generally a southerly to southwest wind flow. It's going to start out of the south the first couple days and start shifting more to the southwest. And what that's going to do is in the morning, it's going to be largely sunny, maybe some cloud here and there. In the afternoons and evenings, those scattered showers and thunderstorms, sometimes numerous, will be developing inland and trying to move towards the coast. You'll be coming up from the south or moving in from the southwest, heading for the coast. You're going to see maybe a little bit better coverage of them inland and a little lesser coverage at the beaches, but these storms will be pushing towards the beaches. So all areas of the county will likely see a shower or storm, at least have a daily chance of it through the next several days. So quick overview, daily chance of PM storms can be expected. Now, any one of these storms, we're not expecting widespread severe weather, but any one of these storms will carry the risk of torrential rainfall and squally winds, and that can happen on any given day in the summertime. Watch out for the lightning just as much. And then the overnight periods will be generally settled, though you might see some lingering rain that kind of hangs on into the evening. Some evenings it'll last longer than others, and other evenings will be completely dry. So for the next couple days, patchy cloud in the morning, PM showers and storms, and they'll be generally winding down late in the evening. Highs in the mid-80s or so, lows in the lower 70s. As we get to Thursday, now Thursday looks like we have a little disturbance come through here and kick off more showers and storms, a little bit more numerous than we typically would see. And it might actually start earlier in the day too. It might linger later on in the evening. Highs in the mid-80s, lows in the lower 70s. Now we get to Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. It looks like that moisture is going to get cut off a little bit. So the thunderstorms should be more scattered, hit or miss. Highs in the upper 80s to maybe near 90s. Going to start getting rather hot. The heat indexes are going to be rather warm, so just be aware of that. And temperatures again bottoming out in the lower 70s. And the outlook looks for a chance of a shower or storm, mostly in the afternoon on each day. Highs in the 80s, lows in the 70s. At the beaches, surf 2 to 3 feet. Surf temperature 78 degrees. It's warm back up. There continues to be a moderate rip current risk, so just be aware of that if you're going to the beaches. Make sure you got your sunblock going on. The UV index is very high. So that's going to wrap things up from the Emergency Operations Center. For the latest weather information, go to flagler.gov. You have your mouse over webcams of weather. It gets you to the latest forecast from the Weather Service. Sign up for Alert Flagler while you are there so you get notified of any strong or severe storms that might develop. And also check your weather radio. It's another good resource. And while you're listening to your weather radio, you can get the latest tropical weather update. We're getting into the hurricane season real soon. And your latest information for hurricanes and your best source for information on anything going on in the tropics, hurricanes.gov. We're on Spectrum. Check us out on channel 492. You can hunt us up on YouTube. Go to YouTube, type in Flagler County. That's going to wrap it up from the Emergency Operations Center. Everyone have a wonderful day.